In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate a 2D drawing along a custom path in Blender. Whether you're brand new to Blender or you've been using it for a while, this guide will help you create dynamic animations using your drawings. Let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll need to prepare your scene. Start by opening Blender and either open an existing project file or create a new 2D animation file. If you don't already have a drawing set up, you'll want to add a grease pencil object. The grease pencil is an incredibly versatile tool in Blender, specifically designed for making 2D drawings and animations within this 3D space. After you've got your drawing set up, the next step is to create a path for it to follow. A popular choice for paths is the Bezier curve due to its flexibility and ease of manipulation. To create this, go to the top menu and select Add. Navigate to Curve and then choose Bezier. This will create a curve object in your scene which you can shape to your liking. Go into edit mode by pressing tab, and now you can click and drag the vertices of this curve to form the desired path that your object will follow. Once your scene is ready, the next step is to link your drawing to this path. Select the grease pencil object that you wish to animate. Then find the Constraints tab in the Properties panel, which is represented by a little icon that looks like a chain link. Once you're there, click on Add Object Constraint and choose the Follow Path constraint from the list. This will allow your drawing to move along the path you've just created. Now let's make sure your setup is properly configured. In the constraint settings, you'll see a target field. Click on it and select the Bezier curve object you created earlier. This links your grease pencil drawing to the path. To ensure smooth movement, enable the follow curve option within the constraint settings. You'll also want to set the forward and up axes according to your specific needs. Most of the time, the x-axis for forward and z for up work well, but this could vary depending on how your project is oriented. So make sure to double check to fit your requirements. And there you have it. You've successfully created an animation where a 2D drawing follows a custom path using Blender. Take this foundation and experiment with different paths and drawing styles to bring your own animated creations to life. Keep practicing and you'll be animating like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching and happy animating.